this is Hugo from Super U Shop Fitting. Today we just finished the restore project. Now I'm in the factory now. Come on, let me show you some details of this project. And this is a cabinet to display some wood products. And you can see the panel. On the bottom is a LED light. And you can see the detail on this place. It's adjustable to adapt to the height of your product. And let me show you the storage place. There was some lock on it, and you can display everything on the storage space. And you can see the logo panel. It's customized by our client. It's provided by our clients. And let me show you the material. In this panel, it's made of painting MDF. And for the flame, you can see it's smooth. It's made of powder coating steel. And for the bottom cabinet, it's made of veneer MDF. And you can see the wood grain. It's high quality. Now, you can see the whole view. There were one set and in the one style. Now let me show you the second cabinet. This kind of cabinet is the same as the one I showed you before. The one difference is the height of the flame. Now let me introduce you the LED light box. The image is adjustable according to your style, and you can change the image on this place. Here is another type of display cabinet. You can see it's a curved shape. And the panel, it's also made of painting MDF with the light screen. On the main body, it's made of a material veneer MDF. Now let me show you the counter, the cash counter. And you can put some computer on the top. As you can see, the whole project style is wood grain. So it's also made of veneer MDF to present the wood style. Come on, let me show you some details of the functional area. And you can see the drawers, you can put something into it. And you can see the storage place on the bottom. Now let me show you the wall cabinets. You can put 3 televisions on the wall, so you can change advertising as your needs. Like the cabinets I introduced you before, it's some kind of wall cabinet. Now let me show you some showcase that you can put in the middle of your store. This showcase, it's made of clear tempered glass. We use it to prevent the damage from daily use. Yes, you can see the drawers like this. And you can use this to highlight your product. It's a beautiful design, right? This is the whole view of this project solution. If you are planning to open some kind of cigarette weed store, welcome to contact us anytime. We are Super U Shop Fitting Group. Thank you for your time.